Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn some topic of this chapter. First we will have a look of all the content of this chapter. We have learned all this topic from this chapter. Now we will learn few topics out of this content of the chapter. So our first exercise is write the number names for the following numbers. Okay. So number in figures is given first and opposite side is given number in words. So first number is given 7510. How can you write the numbers? So first you have to write the places on it so you can read the number very easily. So we write the places first. So on first we write the ones place. Above the 0 we write ones. O for ones place. Above 1 we write T, that is the tens. Above 5 we write H, that for 100, and above write 7, that we write TL, T is for 1000. Okay, so now we read the number very easy way. 7500 and ones and tens read together, so 10. The same way we have to write 7510. Now our next example is 2300. You don't know how to read it, so you write the places on it and you can read. So now 2 is on 1000 place, so we read 2000. 3 is on 100 place, so we read 300. There is no number on ones and tens, so the answer is 2300. We can read like this way. Now the next example is 11500. Okay, so here 5-digit number. So it comes 10,000 place after 1000. So first number above 1 we write 10,000, then we write 1000, then 100, tens and ones. Okay, so 1000 and 10,000 we read together. So 11,500. There is no numbers on ones and tens place. The same way we have to write 11,500. Now the next example is 921. This is 3-digit number, so it starts from 100 place. So 921. Now last example is 70540. Again 5-digit number, so it starts from the 10,000. So 7 10,000 place, 0 thousands place, 500 place, 4 tens place, and 0 ones place. So again we have to read 1000 and 10,000 together. So 70,500. Ones and tens again read together to 40. The same way the way we speak, the same way we have to write. So 70,540. Understood how to read the number and how to write the number? Okay, so now we move forward to the next exercise. That is write the numbers in expanded form. Expanded form means number we write as per the value of each digit in addition expression. Okay, the first example is 6,370. If we don't know how to expand the number, we write the places first, so it's easy for us to solve it. So on 0 we write the ones place. We start from always ones place. Then 7 is on tens place, 3 is on 100 place, and 6 is on 1000 place. The same way we have to expand the number. 6,000. So you can multiply 6 with the thousands, it becomes 6,000. Then you put the plus sign. 3 is on 100 place, so 3 multiply with 100, so you can write 300. Plus 7 is on tens place, so 7 multiply 10, it becomes 70. Plus you can write 0 also. 0 is on ones place, so 0 multiply 1, that means 0 only. If you can do the plus 0, that is also correct. If you don't put the 0, that is also correct. Okay, so the next example is 8,026. Okay, so again we write the places first and then we expand. So 8 is on 1000 place, so we write 8,000 plus 0 is on 100 place. Any 0 is any places, the answer should be 0 only, because multiply with any place, answer 0 will come. Okay, so 0 no need to add. If you want to add, that is also correct. Okay, so I am not adding the 0 here. So 2 is on tens place, so 2 multiply 10 is 20, plus 6 is on ones place, so we add 6. So answer is 8000 plus 20 plus 6. So our next example is 437. So here it is 3-digit number. So first write 4 is on 100 place, so 400, plus 3 is on tens place, 30, plus 7 is on ones place, we write 7. So answer is 400 plus 30 plus 7. Next example is 38,928. Here 5-digit number is start from 10,000. So 10,000, so 3 multiply 10,000. So we get answer 30,000. Plus 8 is on 1000 place. So 8 multiply 1000. So we get 8,000. Plus 9 is on 100 place. So we write 900. Plus 2 is on tens place, so we write 20. Plus 8 is on ones place, so we write 8. Okay, so we move forward to the next exercise. Understood, students? So our next exercise is write numbers in standard form. So here the question is given in expanded form and we have to write in the standard form. So here the number example is 4000 plus 200 plus 20 plus 6. So expanded form start from the 4 digits. So if you don't know how to write, so you write the places first and you can write the standard form. So in 1000 place you write 4, 100 place 200, that means to write 2, tens place 20, so you write 2, and ones place 6. So your number becomes 4226, that means 4226. The same way in the next example, 6000 plus 700 plus 5. This also start from the 4 digits. So on 1000 place you write 6, 100 place you write 7, then it's written plus 5. So there is no number is on tens place. So tens place you write 0 and ones place you write 5. So number become 6705. If you don't put the 0 and you write 5 in the place of 10, so it become 675. That is wrong, because in the question given 6000 plus 700 plus 5. So number should be in the 4 digits only. Okay, so don't do mistake. So next one is 90,000 plus 3,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 7. Here the first number is a 5-digit number. So the places should become till 10,000. Ones, tens, 100,000 and 10,000. So 90,000. So 9 write in a 10,000 place. 3 write in a 1,000 place. 2 write in a 100 place, 1 write in a tens place, and 7 write is on ones place. So the number becomes 93,270. Okay, so next example is 7,000 plus 60 plus 9. The same way you allotted the places first and then you write the number. So it's also start from the 4 digits. So 7 write on 1000 place. Okay, now 100 place. Is there any number on 100 place? No. So we put 0 there. Okay, take care about this. Now 60. 60 write on the tens place and 9 write on ones place. So our number becomes 7069. That means 7069. Our next exercise is write the place value and face value of underlined digits. See, the number is given and underline is given. So you have to write the place value of that underlined digit as well as face value also. The first number is 6891 and the underline is given below the 6. So we have to write the place value of the number 6. You know about the places. The 6 is a 4-digit number. So 6 place value is 6000 and face value means the whichever number is given underlined, that is the same number right as a face value. The face value of the 6 is the 6. Okay, now next one is 48,000 and underline is given below the 4. This number is a 5-digit number and underline is given in the 10,000 place. So for what is the place value of that 4? So 4 multiply 10,000, so it becomes 40,000. Okay, and the face value is the same number of underlined digit, that means it should be a 4 only. Now third example is 73,921. So where is given 9? Which place is it? Ones, tens and hundreds. So 9 is on 100 place. So 9 multiply 100. So the place value of the 9 is 900. And the face value is the same, 9. Okay. Now the next example is 8,634. So where is 3 is given? Ones and tens. It's on tens place. So tens, 3 multiply 10. The place value of the 3 is 30. And the face value is the same number, 3. Okay, next example 23,905. Okay, where is the 5 is given? Underline digit is 5. So where is 5? On ones place. So ones place, 5 multiply 1, that means 5 only. And the face value is also 5. Okay, the last example is 8,007. So underline is given below the 0. 0, which place is this? 100 place. But 0 is any place. The answer should be 0 only, because 0 multiply 100 or 0 multiply any number, answer comes 0 only. Okay, the place value of the 0 is always 0 and the face value the same number, that means 0 only. Understood, students? So now we move forward to the next exercise. Okay, so that is the build the greatest and smallest number using the given digits. So first example, digits are given 5, 3, 6 and 1. From out of this digit we have to make the greatest number as well as the smallest number. So how can you build the greatest number? For making the greatest number or build the greatest number, you arrange the number in descending order. Descending means biggest to smallest order. This is 4 digit. So first, which digit is greatest? 6, then 5, then 3 and then 1 will come. Okay, so the number becomes 6,531. When you make the number, you no need to put the commas, because in the question is given the digit and now you are forming the number. So no need to put the comma while you making or building the greatest and smallest number. Okay, now the smallest number, how can you build it? When you build a smallest number, you arrange the number from ascending to ascending order. Okay, so ascending means smallest to biggest order. Which is the smallest number? 1. Then which is the greater than 1? 3. Then 5 and then 6. So which number becomes 1,356. Understood, students? Now we go to the next example. Which are digits? 4, 3, 5, 0 and 9. Okay, here 5 digits are given. That means whichever digits are given, the number should be that much digit only. If 5 digit to 5 digit number has to build, 4 digit to 4 digit number. Okay, so 5 digits. So greatest number is start from the greater number. So 9, then smaller is 5, then 4, then 3 and 0. So which number becomes 95,430. Now we build the smallest number. Smallest number means ascending order. That means start from the smallest number. Okay, so when we make the smallest number, so which is the smallest number out of this digit? That is the 0. Okay, then 3, then 4, then 5 and 9. But you can't write the 0 first. If you put the 0 first and then 3, then 4, 5 and 9, it becomes the 4 digit number, 3,459. Okay, but here 5 digits given. So how can you write the answer? Which 0 write in the second place, and whichever digit is the second place, that has to write in first. So here 3 write first, then 0, and then 4, 5 and 9. So we build the number 30,459 as the smallest number. So you take care about the zeros. When you have to build the smallest number, you put in the second place, and second digit write in the first place. Okay, now the third one is 9, 7, 6, 8, 1. These digits are given. Greatest number, so we start from the greater digit, 9, 8, 7, 6 and 1. So number is 98,761. And the smallest number, start from the smaller digit, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. So number becomes 16,789. Now the last example is 8, 0 and 4. These digits are given. We have to make the greatest number. Start from the greater number. 8, 4 and 0. The number becomes 840. Now making the smallest number. Again the 0 here. So you take care about, you can't write the 0 first. So which is the greater than 0? 4. So you write 4 first, then 0 and then 8. So number becomes 408. I hope you all understand these topics which I taught you. Thank you.